say, baby, I see you there when you stand up. You watch your knee with your hand up. A little wine and your butt up. Hey, yes, I like it. Little grin when you back up. You hold my hand when I stand up. Everybody here turn up. Cause we like it. When the lights go down and we in between each other's eyes. No spoilers are wrong. Ain't nobody here to kill the vibe. Just focus on me and I will lead you on to fantasize. And you realize that I like it when you drop your bumper and tell me you want me. Want me wind up on you. Drop your bumper and tell me you like it. When I right up under you. Drop your bumper and tell me you want me. Want me wind up on you. Drop your bumper and tell me you like it. Tell me you like it. Girl, I say go down. Wind to the ground, go down. Just drop it down, go down.
When the Jab Jab cooking saltfish, let us soak it good. Soak it, soak it, soak it good. Jab Jab never use no stove, we heat it up with some firewood. Soak it, soak it, soak it good. And put it big in the saltfish, saboka in the saltfish. If I cook in the saltfish, my hand go be in the saltfish. And I go bring she saltfish, now I go bring she saltfish. When we season the saltfish, nothing sweeter than saltfish. Listen before you talk, we have a cook on the block. Them fellas go bring the wood, them ladies go bring the pot. And before the fire start, somebody run in the shop and get a couple pound of flour, cause dumpling going in.
A lot of them eat cut in style, I not eating back. When you see them meso salezo for that dog guy buying that. I don't know how them girls just like, they eating more backs when it fry. Some just even give it salt and put it in the sun to dry. Where the woman them, where the man them there. I not done that, I not hiding my back. Pass it away.
We ready now. We ready. We ready now. We ready. Turn up the place now, start to jump. Run in the air now, start to wave.